In this video, I'm going to show you how to make someone administrator of Telegram group. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Telegram and open up your group chat to get in your group menu. For that, tap on your group icon right here and then tap on that edit button here at the top right to open up that menu, and here at the very bottom tap on administrators. Here you see that now there is one administrator on that group, it's me, and now I can tap add admin here to select new administrators for that group. I can select them just from the members. All that 4 persons are members of that group. And now I just tap on one of them, and now I can select the permissions for that specific person. Here we can select if this person will be able to change group info, delete messages, ban users, invite users via link, pin messages, manage video chats, remain anonymous, or even add new admins right here. And also we can set a custom title for that person. For example, I type creator right here and then tap on that done button. And now I got new admin in my group. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.